is Abdul here, back with one more video. So today's tutorial will be how to hack the Wi-Fi password. So this is for when we are using a laptop and we need to fetch the password for any Wi-Fi interface as soon as possible. We have certain commands to hack the password. Okay. So today we are going to see using the three commands. One is like how many Wi-Fi interface we are going to have. Next one is so the commands used is these are the below. So the first command will be used to show only the profiles. What are the interfaces available and are used by this particular computer or machine to connect to an Wi-Fi network. So the next command shows you the show profile Wi-Fi SSID. For a particular Wi-Fi SSID, we can able to paste the password. So the third command you will be used to. So consider if there is an 4 or 5 profile user Wi-Fi profiles you have connected before and you have disconnected, but you have used that Wi-Fi networks. So you need to identify those Wi-Fi network password. Then you can use this particular command to export to an folder separate. So here I used temp folder to export the SSID passwords. So whatever the profiles we have, I am exporting to a separate folder. From there, where it will be an XML format, we can view it over the browser. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial and start using this command and let's see how it's going to work. So the first command will be, so you need to first open a command prompt with an administrator mode. Okay, so here, so first thing I'm going to use the net sh wlan show profile. Just click enter. So now you can see the number of Wi-Fi profiles interface user profiles. So you can see around 11 we have. So these are all connected hotspot using some iPhone or a hotspot. So all this has happened and this much Wi-Fi user profiles has been used by my laptop to connect to the Wi-Fi. Okay, so next thing, the next command. So there is an first right first name RAFA. So that is the Wi-Fi I'm going to use to paste the password for this particular SSID. So just use this one command and just click enter. So here you can see profile information. So version, so the SSID connection settings, security settings. So this authentication, what you can able to also see the authentication and zipper and other thing used. Okay, so key security present. So settings. So these are the things we can able to fetch from this command and the key content here what you see. So this is the password for your Wi-Fi network. Okay, so now let's use the next command where we can export all, where you can see right these 11 profiles we are going to export to a separate folder. So use this command. I have used ctemp to export the profiles. Okay, just click enter and here you can see all the XML format .xml. The SSID with the .xml, it is saved, showing successful. So let's go to see. So here, yeah. So I just opened and kept and it came finally. So this is the temp where I used it to use it to export. So here you can see total how much. Well, so just remove this one. So you have 11. So let's open one of the XML. Okay, so this is one of the hotspot I use it to connect. Okay, just open this. So here now you can able to see. So the SSID details, authentication type and encryption. So here is the key material where you see here, right? So this is the password. So this is the password we use it to connect. Okay. So this is how we can hack the Wi-Fi password and or fetch the password as soon as possible. Okay. So thanks viewers, thanks for watching my video. Just support me always as before. Just like, subscribe, comment and share. Will come, I will be